how to use players, rankings, and ADP data. Now, on Underdog Fantasy, player rankings and ADP data are invaluable tools for making informed drafting decisions, and here's how to effectively utilize them. The first is understanding player rankings. You must identify top tier players because they help you pinpoint the most highly regarded players at each position. You must draft according to value and target players who are significantly undervalued based on their rankings. You must also consider different ranking sources, so compare rankings from various experts to get a well-rounded perspective. The second is leveraging ADP data. Now you must identify potential values and look for players who are being drafted later than their perceived value suggests. Avoid overpaying. Be wary of players who are being drafted significantly higher than their production. You must also adjust your strategies so ADP can help you adapt your draft strategy based on the tendencies of your league mates. Combining rankings and ADP. You must create a hybrid approach and use rankings as a starting point and then adjust your selections based on ADP trends. You must target sleeper picks and look for players who are ranked lower but have significant upside based on the ADP. And avoid flyers unless justified, because you must be cautious of drafting players solely based on potential without considering their ADP and overall value. And I hope this video helped you actually go ahead and then use player rankings and ADP data. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.